Alright mga idol, usapang boxing na naman tayo. Pag-usapan nga lang natin ang ilang kaganapan sa mundo ng boxing. Ngunit bago yan,
subscribe na sa Boxing Glove PH.
So yun mga idol, dahil natapos na nga po ang laban ng ating kababayan at former world title challenger na si Mercito No Mercy Gesta kanina, diretso naman tayo sa magiging laban ng isa pa nating kababayan at former world title challenger at kasalukuyang WBO Global Flyweight Champion na si Jimel Pistolero Magramo. So mga idol, dumayo nga po ng bansang Japan itong ating kababayan na si Magramo para harapin ang pambato ng Amerika na si Anthony Olascuaga. So mga idol, undercard niya po ito ng bakbakang Kenshiro Teraji at Heikki Butler para nga po sa unification fight ng WBC and WBA light flyweight title. So mga idol, sa kanilang weigh-in niya kanina pares pasok sa timbang itong dalawang boksingero. So ito nga po si Jimel Magramo ay may kartadang 28 wins with 23 knockouts at may 3 talo lamang, habang ito namang si Anthony Olascuaga ay may 5 wins with 3 knockouts at may nag-iisang talo. So gaganapin niya ang laban nila mga idol sa Ariake Arena, Tokyo, Japan. At sa main event naman mga idol, sa pagitan niya ni na Unified Light Flyweight Champion Kenshiro Teraji at Heikki Butler mga idol, parehas nga pong pasok rin sa timbang itong dalawang boksingero, kaya naman tuloy na ang unification fight nila bukas dyan sa Ariake Arena. At sa main event naman mga idol, parehas nga rin pasok sa timbang itong kasalukuyang kampiyon na si Junto Nakatani at ang kanyang challenger na si RG Cortez. Kaya naman tuloy na tuloy din ang laban nila bukas dyan sa Tokyo, Japan. Sa iba pang balita mga idol, matapos nga pong magpahiwatig ang ating pambansang kamao 8 Division World Champion Manny Pacquiao na gusto niya lumahok sa darating na 2024 Paris Olympics. Sa kanyang latest post nga mga idol, nanindigan itong ating pambansang kamao na gusto niya talagang sumali sa darating na 2024 Paris Olympics. So mga idol, ayaw niya kay Manny Pacquiao, kaya naman siya napunta sa Maynila dahil gusto niyang makakuha ng gintong medalya sa Olympics. Pero mga idol, na-reject nga lang siya, kaya naman napunta nga siya sa professional boxing sa edad na 16 anyos. At speaking of Manny Pacquiao nga mga idol, muli nga pong nagpakitang gilas itong ating pambansang kamao. So mga idol, sa natapos nga pong laban sa Season 5 ng MPBL, kumanang nga po ng triple-double itong ating pambansang kamao. So nakapagtala nga po itong ating pambansang kamao ng 33 points with 15 assists and 11 rebounds. Sa loob nga lang mga idol ng 37 minutes and 39 seconds. So ito nga po yung highlights ng kanilang naging laban. Panoorin natin.
Velosa. Pacquiao's jumper finally.
Well, seeing that his stroke.
Velosa. Galvez. Back to Velosa. Kunanan. Recovered by Pacquiao. Here's Senator Pacquiao. Yes! Three-pointer number 1 para kay Senator Manny Pacquiao.
They are badly trying to make a statement here and it has been very successful so far. Tandaan natin, hindi pa nananalo ang South dito sa Executive All-Star Game in the 3 editions that we've had.
Another rebound for Pacquiao. Yan na.
And that's something that he really does when he plays.
Even during pickup games.
For him to get the defense off guard. See there, the 3-pointer from the left wing.
Alam mo Avi, in-explain ni ni Sen yung kanyang shooting form in one of the visits in his house, take a look at that putback. Sabi niya, nilalagay niya daw talaga sa likod dati para hindi siya masupalpal. And yun ang nakasanayan niya. Medyo mabagal lang, but
ang hirap tsempuhin
Pacquiao, another 3. Yes, sir! And this is where he is really, really good. Pag nakapasok na ng isa yan, tuloy-tuloy na.
Kung Jet just might be the spark that they need. Senator Manny na naman.
Ayan na.
You really think he's gonna get 50 today?
I think so. I think he should go for 50. Si Tan.
Slowly but surely, they're trying to get back into this, but they have had trouble stopping that man. Once again, on the baseline, referee Jojo Belnas calls another foul.
Good call daw. Good call. Good call. And Senator Manny is up to 18 points.
Wow, just
18
like that.
points, 18 points, ladies and gentlemen. 19.
And the South, they are on pace to score.
Cruz, no. Rebound, Marlo Aquino. Pacquiao. Umatake, and Manang Pacquiao scores once again, 21 points. That drive with
Sayang.
sayang. Pacquiao again for 3. That's good.
And the points continue to pour on here for
Sen.
right before he received the pass. That's how quick his hands are.
Nice dipsy-do from Senator Manny Pacquiao.
Yeah, kasi they only have one chance eh.
Oo. I think meron din mamaya. For the contest.
Yeah, I've seen the Suzuki people around that. Thank you to Suzuki for continuing.
Wong to Pacquiao on the alley-oop. Finally, he's just over 2 minutes remaining here. Pacquiao finally knocks down the 3.
As gusto talaga ni Sen yung mga malalayong tira.
Actually, oo nga eh. Again, on the floor, his day. And he will finish with 33 points, 11 rebounds, and 15 assists. And he is our player of the game. He has thrilled us with his abilities at the ring. But Senator Manny Pacquiao is more than just a boxer. He is an all-around sportsman. And one of his favorites, his love for basketball, hindi nawawala yan. 33 points, 11 rebounds, 15 assists. His passion for the game burns brightly. And we see that with his performances on the court, whether it's in his court in Jensen or here at the Bataan People's Center for our executive All-Star game.